Hello children, I hope all are doing good. In our last session, we learnt about living things, isn't it? In today's session, we are going to learn about non-living things. Children, non-living things can't breathe. Do you know? Non-living things can't breathe. Do you know why? Because non-living things don't have any life. They won't breathe air in and out. Okay? Non-living things do not breathe. Next, non-living things cannot move. Non-living things cannot move by themselves. Like human beings or animals, we can move from one place to another place without any help. But non-living things can't move without any help. For example, until and unless you push the chair will not move ahead. Another example, if you want to go by auto or a bike, you need to start it, isn't it? Until and unless you start the vehicle, it will not move. That is why I said non-living things will not move. Next, non-living things don't need any food or water. Why? When non-living things will not breathe, they don't need any food or water. For example, is a chair need any food or a water? Chair don't need any food or a water. Okay, like that. Table, fan and other things don't need any food or water, like living things. Understood? Next, non-living things will not grow. Non-living things will not grow. Why non-living things will not grow? Because they don't have any life. That's why they will not grow. As and how animal and humans grow, non-living things will not grow. It will be like that only. It will not grow. Okay? You can see chairs, cycle, your bike, your bag, your phones. Those all are non-living things. They cannot grow. Okay? Next, food covered, non-things will not grow. It will not move. It will not breathe. I hope all of you understood characteristics of non-living things. First one, non-living things will not breathe. Second one, non-living things will not move. Third one, non-living things will not grow. Fourth one is non-living things don't need food and water. Okay, children. Examples for non-living things: bike, car, table, chair, fan, your school bag, mobiles, TV, television. So many things. You can see so many non-living things around you. Okay. Now we covered living things, non-living things. Now we are going to cover natural things and artificial things or man-made things. What is natural things, children? Natural things means nature has given us so many things. It has given plants, animals, human beings, and so many things. Some are living things, some are non-living things. Non-living things means a river, stones, and so many. Those are called as natural things. This is not man-made things. Natural things are not man-made things. For example, human being, animals, plants, river, stone, mountains, and etc. These are called as natural things. Artificial things or man-made things. What do you mean by this? Artificial or man-made things are made by human being. That's why they are called as man-made things or artificial things. Do you know one thing? Some artificial things are prepared by natural things. By using natural things, some artificial things man has created. You want to know the example? Furniture. Furniture had made by wood. Wood or tree, it's a natural thing. Paper and so many things. Okay. Some more example for artificial things. Computers, a car, bike, television, mobiles, and so many things. Okay, those are artificial things or man-made things. Okay, children, in this lesson, things around us, in this lesson, we learnt about living things, non-living things, and difference between living things and non-living things, natural things and artificial things. I hope all of you understood this lesson. Revise once again, and most important, take care of your health and stay healthy. Okay, thank you.